Welcome students. In this video we are going to solve question from exercise 3.2a. इसके पहले के वीडियो में हमने शुरू के क्वेश्चंस किए exercise 3.2a के that are based on substitution method. So here we will start with the question number 19. 2x plus 1 root of x plus 2 dx. ये रेडिकल साइन में है x plus 2 raised to power 1/2. सो इसको आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे एंड विल राइट दिस 2x plus 1 in terms of x plus 2. So how we can write it? We substitute t is equal to root x plus 2. Therefore x will be equal to what? T minus 2, and this 2x plus 1 we can express in terms of t. It is 2t minus 2. X is t minus 2, so it is 2t minus 2 plus 1, which will be 2t minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 3. So that 2x plus 1 we are getting in terms of t. Then इसमें substitute करेंगे आप integral of 2x plus 1, that is equal to 2 times t minus 3 into root of x plus 2. X plus 2 is t, so it will be root of t. Then dt by dx is equal to 1 derivative of this, so that dt is equal to dx. So dt is equal to dx, so that means in place of dx आपको substitute करना है dt, so that the whole integrand is in terms of t and we are integrating with respect to t. सबसे पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. 2 कांस्टेंट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ t रूट t dt माइनस 3 कांस्टेंट रूट t dt मल्टीप्लाई करना है हमको. सो दोनों टर्म को रूट t से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन this is t root t means what? T raised to power 1 and plus half, that is t raised to power 3/2, which will be 2 times integral t raised to power 3/2 dt minus 3 integral root t dt. Then t raised to power n, that is n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Formula is this: x raised to power n dx is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. We use this formula, so this will be 2 times t raised to power 3/2 plus 1, that is 5/2 upon 5/2 minus 3 times root t, that is t raised to power 1/2 plus 1 3/2, t raised to power 3/2 upon 3/2 plus constant of integration c, which will be 4 upon 5 t raised to power 5/2 minus the 3 will get cancelled and it is 2. 3/2 in the denominator, that will be what? 2/3. So 3 is getting cancelled and it is t raised to power 3/2 plus c, or t is equal to x plus 2. So resubstitute 4/5, then t is x plus 2 raised to power 5/2 minus 2 times t is x plus 2 again, x plus 2 raised to power 3/2 plus constant of integration c. This completes our answer. So we'll do the next question. Question number 21. 5 minus 3x 2 minus 3x raised to power minus 1/2. ये जो रेडिकल साइन में है raised to power minus 1/2, इसको आप सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है t. So 2 minus 3x we substitute t. So we put t is equal to 2 minus 3x. यहाँ पे 5 minus 3x we want to express in terms of t. सबसे पहले dt by dx लेना है आपको. dt by dx is equal to, इसका डेरिवेटिव कांस्टेंट है 0 minus 3 into 1, that is dt upon minus 3 will be equal to dx. So this dx is equal to dt upon minus 3. Then 5 minus 3x we want to express in terms of t. So 5 minus 3x we want to express in terms of t. Here we have 2 minus 3x that is equal to t. अभी आपको फॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे माइनस 3x है, यहाँ पे भी माइनस 3x है. सो खाली 5 लाने के लिए आपको दोनों साइड में 3 ऐड करना होगा. So we will add 3 both sides. So this gives 5 minus 3x will be equal to t plus 3. Add 3 both sides. So 3 plus 2 will give us 5 and here t plus 3. So that 5 minus 3x will be equal to what? T plus 3. So this term we express in terms of t and this already we substitute t. So therefore our integrand I will be equal to in place of this you can write t plus 3 लिखेंगे हम इसमें और 2 minus 3x that is equal to t जो कि रेडिकल साइन में है minus 1/2 साइन में है raised to power and dx is equal to what? dt upon minus 3. This dx is equal to dt upon minus 3. So this minus 1 upon 3 we'll write outside. Minus 1 upon 3 or integral I is minus 1 upon 3 integral of t plus 3 as it is t plus 3 then t raised to power minus 1/2 and dt is left minus 1 upon 3 already we took outside. This will be minus 1 upon 3 integral simplify करो t raised to power minus 1/2 into t that will be t raised to power 1/2. ये t raised to power 1 and minus 1/2. So 1/2 plus ये 3 और ये 3 कैंसिल होगा और we will write it minus 1 upon 3 into this 3 outside integral of t raised to power minus 1/2 dt. We are simultaneously multiplying by this and multiplying by this. तो आपको ये minus 1 upon 3 सेपरेट कर रहा है और ये 3 outside the integral t raised to power minus 1/2 which will further get cancelled. अभी minus 1 upon 3 constant है as it is t raised to power 1/2 है so इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा raised to power 1/2 plus 1 that is 3/2 upon raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 so 3/2 upon 3/2 minus this is integral of dt upon root t raised to power minus 1/2 that means 1 upon root t. So we know integral dx upon root x that is equal to 2 root x plus c. So we use this formula here. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं minus 2/9 2/3 it will be and 3 and t raised to power 3/2 minus 2 times root t plus constant of integration c. Then resubstitute t. What is our t? See minus 2/9 t or t is 2 minus 3x. This is our t. 2 minus 3x raised to power 3/2 minus 2 times root of t. T is 2 minus 3x and plus constant of integration. So this will be our answer. We resubstitute t, that is important. T substitute पहले t is equal to substitute बाद में at the last we resubstitute t so that we are getting this answer. Question number 24. Here is x cube. यहाँ पे x cube है so ये x cube आप इधर ला सकते हैं multiplying by x square so that in the numerator x square which is derivative of x cube derivative 3x square होता है तो यहाँ पे x square आएगा which is derivative in terms of derivative of x cube. So multiply by x cube x square both numerator and denominator. यहाँ पे भी आप x square से multiply करेंगे x square into x cube minus 1 so that this will be x cube x square dx upon x cube into x cube minus 1. Now if we put x cube minus 1 is equal to t. So here we put t is equal to x cube minus 1. So that x cube will be equal to what? T plus 1. ये x cube t plus 1 होगा. And derivative dt by dx, because it is substitution. So dt by dx will be 3x square. इसका derivative and ये constant 0. So that dt upon 3 will be equal to x square into dx, dt upon 3. So we have numerator is equal to x square dx. See, the numerator is x square dx, which is dt upon 3. This is what? T plus 1, and this is what? T. So make this substitution. If we substitute this, dt upon 3 will write in place of this, or integral I will be equal to x square dx is dt upon 3 upon x cube. X cube is t plus 1, and x cube minus 1 is t. X cube minus 1 is t. Then 1 by 3 will write outside the integral sign. 1 by 3 constant dt upon t and t plus 1, or t plus 1 into t we will write here. See, these are the consecutive numbers t and t plus 1. So wherever we have consecutive terms, that is 3 into 4 example, this can be expressed as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, LCM is 3 into 4. 4 minus 3 will give us 1 in the numerator. Similarly, 1 by t into t plus 1 we can write as 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1. So that t into t plus 1 will be LCM, t plus 1 minus t. So numerator will become 1, t plus 1 minus t. So same thing we will write here. This will be 1 by 3 integral of 1 upon t plus 1 and t. We will write what? Like this, 1 upon t into t plus 1, we will write 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1. So it is 1 upon t minus 1 upon t plus 1 dt as it is. So that integral dt upon t, 1 by 3 integral dt upon t, and this 1 by 3 here minus integral dt upon t plus 1. Now this integral is log of t and this integral is log of t plus 1. So I will be equal to 1 by 3 into log t minus log t plus 1 plus c. Log t upon log t plus 1 we will write, it is 1 by 3 into log of t upon t plus 1 plus c, or t is equal to what? X cube minus 1, and t plus 1 is what? X cube only. So it will be 1 by 3 log of x cube minus 1 is t. So x cube minus 1 upon what? X cube plus c. T plus 1 is here x cube, and t is equal to what? X cube minus 1. So we wrote x cube minus 1 upon x cube and this 1 by 3. So this will be the answer. Question number 25. 1 upon x log of log x dx. इसमें जो log of log x है इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करेंगे आप, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log fx is 1 upon fx, मतलब 1 upon log x. वापस डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log x will be 1 by x. So this, the whole term is what? Derivative of log x. So clearly our substitution will be log of log x. सो इसको आप t सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, सो दैट इट विल बी t इज इक्वल टू log of log x, so that derivative dt by dx is equal to derivative of log fx 1 by fx 1 upon log of x into derivative of log x which is 1 by x. तो ये आ गया आपका 1 upon x log x 1 upon x log x. Therefore we will write it dt is equal to dx upon x log x, x log x. This is what dt. Then our integral I is equal to, therefore integral I is equal to dx upon x log x, it is dt upon log of log x is t, log of log x is t. So very simple, dt upon t is what? Log t. It is log t plus c constant of integration, और t is equal to log of log x. तो एक और log आ जाएगा इसमें, log of log x, तो एक और log जुड़ जाएगा उसमें. So t is equal to what? Log of log x, log of log x and log of that plus c constant of integration, which will be the answer. We come to the second question of this exercise. Say first question we completed, second question का first sub question cos 3x minus cos 4x upon sin 3x plus sin 4x. So how we solve? By using trigonometric factorization formulae. So what are the factorization formulae? Cos c minus cos d 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into sin d minus c upon 2 when d is greater than c, and sin c plus sin d in denominator, sin c minus sin d, it is 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. So we are using this formula here, so that integrand can be simplified as 2 sin c plus d upon 2, that is 3x plus 4x divided by 2 into sin d minus c, that is 4x. This is our d minus c, that is 3x upon 2, and the denominator 2 times sin of c plus d upon 2, 3x plus 4x, 3x plus 4x upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2, that is 3x minus 4x upon 2 dx. So clearly this 7x upon 2, 7x upon 2, sin, so that this 2 cancel, sin of this will get cancelled, and what is left? Integral of x upon 2, sin of x upon 2, denominator cos of minus x upon 2, but minus x upon 2 cos will be cos only, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this is integral of sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 dx, which is what? Tan x by 2, integral of tan x by 2 dx. This is sin upon cos, which is tan x by 2. We wrote it tan x by 2. It is of the form tan of ax plus b dx. Integral of tan of ax plus b, ये जो a है, that is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x हमेशा हम denominator में लेते हैं, and use the formula integral tan is what? Log of sec. So we use that formula. यहाँ पे जो 1 by 2 है, so 1 by 2 is a. That means it is log of sec of x by 2 and upon a. Upon a means what? 1 by 2 plus c, which will be 2 times log of sec of x by 2 plus c. It is 2 times log of sec of x by 2 plus c. We do second question of this, that is cos of x upon sin of x minus a. Denominator देखिए आप, x minus a is the denominator. इसके अकॉर्डिंगली न्यूमरेटर को एडजस्ट करना है आपको. यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में खाली x है, so that we will write एक्स माइनस ए प्लस ए, इस टाइप से लिखना है आपको. सो दैट इंटीग्रल ऑफ कॉस ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए प्लस ए, ये ए प्लस बी फॉर्म में होगा, ए और ये बी. एंड वी नो कॉस ऑफ ए प्लस बी इज कॉस ए कॉस बी माइनस साइन ए साइन बी. वी यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. डिनोमिनेटर साइन ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए dx. Now cos a plus b, cos a cos b, this is integral of cos a मतलब x minus a into cos b which is cos a minus sin a sin b, that is sin of x minus a sin of a upon denominator as it is, ये denominator x minus a as it is into dx. फिर सेपरेट करना है आपको, cos ऑफ दिस डिवाइडेड बाय साइन ऑफ एंड साइन एक्स माइनस ए अपॉन साइन इंटू साइन ए अपॉन साइन, ये सेपरेट करना है हमको. सो दैट विल बी इंटीग्रल ऑफ cos ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए इंटू cos ऑफ ए अपॉन साइन ऑफ एक्स माइनस ए dx माइनस इंटीग्रल ऑफ साइन ऑफ x minus a into sin a upon sin of x minus a dx, so that this sin of x minus a is getting cancelled. अभी ये cos upon sin will become cot, so cot of x minus a into cos a, और यहाँ पे 1 आएगा 1 into sin a, so that this will be equal to integral of, see cos of a is a constant that we write outside, cos of a integral of cos upon sin, that will be cot of x minus a dx minus sin a is again constant, integral of 1 dx. What is left over here after taking sin of a 1 रहेगा 1 dx. sin a is constant right outside, क्योंकि इसमें x नहीं है तो sin a है, sin a is what constant, there is it is independent of x, we are integrating with respect to x. यहाँ पे cos a मतलब x नहीं है, so that will take outside. Then we integrate this, so integration of it is cos of a, integration of cot is log of sin x minus a minus sin a into integral of this is x plus c, which we can rearrange the terms. Integral I is equal to cos of a into log of sin of x minus a minus x into sin a plus c is the answer. So remember that x minus a is the denominator, here x we adjust according to the denominator, and then we use formula for trigonometry. Question number 3, sin of x minus a upon cos of x plus b. So according to denominator we will adjust the numerator, x plus b is there, here x minus a. So how we can arrange this x minus a? X minus a will write as x plus b minus b, and this minus a is already there, minus a, so that we can write it as x plus b minus of a plus b. So x minus a in the numerator, this x minus a will write in terms of x plus b minus a plus b whole. So the integral I will be equal to sin of x minus a, in place of x minus a we will write x plus b minus of a plus b upon cos of x plus b dx. Then sin a minus b, we use formula sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is our a and this is our b. So we expand it. It is integral of sine a, that is sine of x plus b, into cos a plus b minus cos x plus b into sine a plus b, and whole divided by cos of x plus b, cos of x plus b dx. So that here we divide by this sine upon cos, it will be, and cos of a plus b, which is constant, it is independent of x. Sine of a plus b will be again constant, which is independent of x. Cos upon cos. So just separate it. Integral of sine of x plus b upon cos of x plus b into cos of a plus b dx. Minus sign is there. Cos of x plus b upon cos of x plus b into sine of a plus b dx. So clearly cos और cos cancel होगा. यहाँ पे sin and cos, sin upon cos will be tan, and this cos of sin upon cos, that will be tan, and this cos of. So our integral I will be equal to cos a plus b is constant, that we write outside. Cos of a plus b is constant, which is outside the integral, and sin upon cos will be tan. Tan of x plus b dx minus, again this sin of a plus b is constant, so this sin of a plus b constant, and integral of, what is left over here, 1 dx. Its integral is x, and log of, see, tan, integral tan is what, log of sec. So this last will be cos a plus b log of sec of x plus b minus sin of a plus b into x plus c, which can be arranged as cos of a plus b into log of sec of x plus b minus x into sin of a plus b plus c. This is the integral. So remember, wherever such type of terms are there, according to denominator we adjust the numerator, and we apply formally, we expand sine or expand cos, and then we simplify and integrate. In next video we will continue with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you for watching.